Kick it.
Okay, everyone, continued coverage here at the Consumer Electronics Show. We are with Reneel, and we're with SmartRestart, a software product. Why don't you tell me about your product?
What we are is the next generation of computer security. We don't say we're an antivirus or an anti-malware, but if you get something on your machine and you reboot, it's gone when you reboot it. We don't say we're a utility, but you get your registry messed up, you reboot your machine, it's back the way you had originally set it up.
So you're telling me if I've got this software installed and something nasty hits the machine, all I got to do is reboot?
Reboot your machine and everything's back the way you had originally set it up when you installed the product. Now, we do not protect the user profiles because you want to always update your words, your emails, your pictures, those kinds of things. But anything to do with your system files, your registry, the programs, or any of your hard drive is always write protected. We don't take up any system files, so it doesn't slow down the machine. It's just a totally write protect program. It's really, really a cool product.
So do I have to tell it to do its thing?
No.
Or so every time I reboot, it's actually doing what it's supposed to do?
That's correct. The best application is on a brand new machine. If you install us on a brand new machine, every time you reboot, it's back exactly the way you had originally had your machine done.
Okay, everyone adds software. Software goes in and makes changes to the registry. They add different things. How are you guys accounting for that? Because you've taken a footprint of this at some point. So what are you doing there?
What you need to do if you want to install something to permanently install it, you need to disable, do your install, and then re-enable it. So it's literally write protects everything that's on there. So you could go to the web, you could download something and try it out, or you could install a program and try it out. As long as it didn't require reboot, you could see whether you liked it or whether you didn't, and you could totally use it. Reboot your machine, it's gone. You haven't taken up any system files to do that.
Does the software know enough when I'm installing a program to ask me whether or not I want to disable this, or do I have to know that? Do I have to remember to shut that off?
Currently, right now, you have to remember to do that. We do have that in a future update coming on.
Somehow I think you've designed this product for, like, my mom, who's got a computer, and every once in a while something happens. So,
Exactly.
so what's your target market for this?
Okay. Our target market for the consumer product is just the general population, just consumers. We've actually been in the industry since '96 on the GovEd side. The Olympic Villages for the last 3 Olympics has used our product on all of their machines. We have a lot in the government side and education. We're very big in it. We're just now coming out to the consumer side because Mom does use it a lot. Grandma uses it a lot. You know, my granddaughter uses it a lot, installs Barbie on my machine, and pretty soon it's my web page and my home page, and I don't want it.
Right.
So I simply reboot, and it's gone, and I'm back to the way I had originally set it up. It's just totally 100% protected.
What's the retail? Where can they find it?
Retail is $39.99. You can find it at most all of the .coms. It's currently in some of the Best Buy stores. We'll be in Circuit City in March, I believe. We're just now coming on in the consumer side, so we're just now beginning to get out like that. One thing I might note is that if you get a virus in and reboot your machine, it's gone. We don't need to know what it is to write a code. We don't need to know the definitions. You just reboot it. So we don't have daily updates to your computer. Therefore, it's a no annual renewal fee.
What does this lengthen the amount of reboot time?
It really does not. I'm not techie, so I can't answer a lot of your techie problems, but it really does not, no. Because we're just getting rid of what's in there. It's not changing any of your, systems.
Okay. Thank you for your time. And what's the website?
The website is www.smart-restart.com.
All right, folks, go to
smart-restart.com.
I was gonna mess that up no matter what. So thank you so very much today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Kick it.